Can you spot the design flaw? Used my AC controller the other day and sensed friction when dropping the temp down. These controls are confusing, especially the temp and mode buttons. Econo Cool is another kind of mode and the time buttons are also confusing. A quick fix could be to regroup like items and give the mode icons a title. Also, I changed the wording to temp since it's most common and use the same style as time for cohesiveness. Here is a quick comparison of the fix. Not perfect, but it gets the job done. Seen worst? Got another idea?